So let us try to find the derivative of x to the power sin x. So derivative of this with respect to x. So suppose y equals to this, then dy by dx we'll try to, for finding dy by dx if this is equals to y with respect to x. So let y equals to this. Then here we see that the function is not in the form of any special formula. So here, since some power is there, so we can use what? Logarithmic, because power can be simplified by using logarithmic. So take logarithmic take logarithmic on both side, on both side both side. So here left side log of y, बेस कुछ नहीं लिखा, that means what? E. Okay, here also log x to the power sine of x. Now by the property of logarithmic, the log y equals to what? पावर सामने आना है, so sin x into log of x. Clear? By using logarithmic property, power सामने आना है. Now we can differentiate and find dy by dx. dy by dx means d of this. Okay, so differentiate. Now differentiate with respect to x on both side. Then here dy by dx, d log of y upon d of x equals to d upon dx of product function. Here product rule will be applied, log x. Okay, first function and into second function. Now on left side, y log y का differentiation x के respect में, that is here y is also function of x. That's why chain rule, by chain rule first of all log y का differentiation 1 upon y and then y का, तो dy upon dx. Here first function, second function, so first function into derivative of second 1 by x plus डेरिवेटिव ऑफ फर्स्ट फंक्शन साइन का क्या होना है? cos x into second function what? log x. Okay, now we have to find dy by dx. So take here dy by dx and y उधर मल्टीप्लाई में जाना है, y मल्टीपल में आना है इसमें, what? sin x upon x plus cos x log x. Okay, now y equal to what? X to the power sin x. So you can write in place of y x to the power sin x in place of y, and in the inner side taking product of this. So sin x, now just write the value cos x log x. Okay, finally we can write what? Multiply it. So x to the power sin x, और नीचे x है तो x का पावर ऊपर जाके माइनस हो जाएगा, so x टू द पावर साइन एक्स माइनस 1, नीचे वाला x प्रोडक्ट हो रहा है, एंड साइन एक्स. ओके, दिस फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकेंड इसमें प्रोडक्ट होना है, सो x टू द पावर साइन एक्स इंटू कॉस log of x. So finally this is the derivative of what? Y means what? X to the power sin x. Okay, so this is the answer. Derivative of this is equals to this. Okay, complete. This is the answer. So here we use logarithmic differentiation, because पावर को रिड्यूस करना था, पावर को रिड्यूस किया तो इनटू आ गया, अब डिफरेंशिएट कर दिया दोनों साइड एज ए चेन रूल, ये डेरिवेटिव हुआ, y इधर था उधर ले गए और इनका प्रोडक्ट रूल लगाया, डिफरेंशिएट किया, ये आ गया. So this is the use of logarithmic for finding derivatives, for simplifying the power. Okay. Now finding derivative dy by dx, where this is given. This is the mixing relation where x to the power y and y to the power x. Dy by dx means what? Y is depending on x. So y as a dependent variable, x independent variable, we have to find dy by dx. So here we are supposing that y is function of x. Now since here the terms are in the form of power, so we are using logarithmic differentiation. Here since this power plus this power are combined by plus sign, so we cannot apply directly logarithmic, because log of some function plus some function is equals to what? No, we don't know, there is no such formula. So we are taking part by part. Here one is shortcut method, another is long cut method. What is long cut method? First we are try to understand. Okay, so here given question second, given what? Given relation x to the power y plus y to the power x equals to a to the power b. This is given here because these powers quantity are combined by plus sign. That's why we suppose this is equals to another u and this is equals to b, and this is constant term a to the power b, where u equals to what? X to the power y, and b equals to what? Y to the power x. Okay, now term by term we have to differentiate. Okay, this now differentiate with respect to x on both sides, because this is function of x, this function of also x, y also involved, y is function of x. So differentiate with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x, we get, our target is what? Finding dy by dx. Here with respect to x differentiate, then first du upon dx plus second dv by dx, and here d by dx of a to the power b. This is constant, this is equals to 0. That is what we get? Du upon, this is du upon dx plus dv upon dx equals to 0. This is equation number 1. Suppose now we will find du by dx, dv by dx separately. Now since u equals to x to the power y, so taking, because u equals to x to the power y, so taking logarithmic on both sides. Here is power, taking logarithmic on both side, we get, what do we get by taking logarithmic? Du upon log, what do we get? Log लेना है, तो log of u equals to log of x to the power y. So from here we can get log u equals to, पावर में है y, so y सामने आना है, y x, बेस तो ये है, कुछ नहीं है तो. Now This log equals to this. Here now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Okay, we get what? Total का x के respect to differentiation means as a chain rule, first 1 upon u, then du upon dx. Right side product function is there. So first function into derivative of second with respect to x, 1 by x, plus derivative of first function dy upon dx, and second function. This is the value. Now from here we can write du upon dx. du upon dx. u को ट्रांसफर कर देना है. सो यहाँ क्या आ जाएगा? u of y by x plus log x into dy upon dx. That is du by dx equal to this. U is equal to what? X to the power y. Therefore, so we get du upon dx equals to what? X to the power y. You can write x to the power y in place of u. X to the power y. Then y by x, taking LCM, then you can write y plus x log x dy upon dx, total divided by x. Now finally we can write du upon dx equals to what? x नीचे है, पावर कम हो जाएगा, x to the power y minus 1, and here y plus x log x dy upon dx. This is du by dx. Okay, equation 1. This is equation 2. Similar, in a similar fashion, now, and also v equals to what? V equals to we have to find what? dv by dx. So also v equals to what? y to the power x. Y to the power x. So again differentiate, taking logarithm on both sides, we will get what? Log of v equals to log of y to the power x. That is what? Log of v equals to x log y. X log y. Okay. Now again differentiate with respect to x. This we will get what? 1 by v dv by dx equals to differentiation of this, that is product of two function. First function x, second का derivative what? 1 upon y dy upon dx, because composite function, plus first का derivative x का 1 dx by dx into log of y, second function. So from here we get dv by dx equals to what? dv by dx equals to v उधर जाना है, so v का प्रोडक्ट होगा यहां पर. v means what? v and here x upon y dy upon dx dy upon dx plus log of y. Now simplify it. By simplifying it, after this line, dv by dx equals to what? V means y to the power x, y to the power x. Here taking LCM y नीचे, so y x dy upon dx plus x log of y. Okay. Finally, we can write how dv by dx equals to y ऊपर जाएगा तो y to the power x minus 1 and x dy upon dx plus x dy upon dx plus here not y here taking LCM here will be y, so y and log y. Okay, so we get like this, that is finally getting the value dy by dx equals to this. Okay, that is, and dv by dx of ये भी निकल गया dv by dx, तो dv by dx equal to what? Y to the power x minus 1 into x dy upon dx plus y log of y. Okay, this is equation third. Now du by dx, dv by dx from second and third you have to put in 1. So after putting the value, finally we can write like this. Our main target is what? Finding dy by dx. So finally now put the value of du by dx and dv by dx from 2 and 3rd in 1. So from second, third and first we get, इन दोनों वैल्यू को इसमें रखना है. फर्स्ट वैल्यू व्हाट? x to the power y minus 1 y plus x log x dy upon dx plus second y to the power x minus 1 y to the power x minus 1 bracket x dy upon dx plus y log y equals to 0. ओके, यहां से आप वैल्यू रख दिया. नाउ कलेक्ट dy by dx and transferring and you can get the value of dy by dx. So dy by dx का कोफिशिएंट, जब इससे इसको प्रोडक्ट करना है, मल्टीप्लाई दिस टू दिस, सो x to the power y minus 1 into x 1 cancel, x to the power y dy by dx का कोफिशिएंट में आएगा x to the power y and log of x plus here dy by dx is this, x का इसको प्रोडक्ट होगा तो x y to the power x minus 1 dy by dx x y to the power x minus 1. This is the coefficient of dy by dx. Okay, now other quantity you have to transfer on right side. So minus of this x to the power y minus 1 y x to the power y minus 1 y into x to the power y minus 1 from here प्लस में था, इधर आया माइनस में आया, इधर से भी y into this y power minus 1 plus 1 खत्म और y to the power x, so y to the power x and log of y. So dy by dx equals to what? This upon this, minus of y x to the power y minus 1 plus y to the power x log of y upon this quantity x to the power y log of x plus x y to the power x minus 1. Okay. So this is our value of dy by dx. So here what we do? First of all, suppose this is u, suppose this is v, then u plus v, then differentiate du by ds, dv by dx equals to right side 0. So separately you have to find dy by dx, du by dx, dv by dx both, and then put the value in first equation and then collect dy by dx and transferring value, you can get the derivative like this. Okay, so this is the use of logarithmic process in finding derivative of a function. Okay, so note down very carefully. Okay.
Question 1 of exercise 5.5. Differentiate the function given like cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x a product. Okay, here product is given, so that's why we are using logarithmic differentiation. Okay, so let us solve. Given function is this cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. So let this is equals to y. Now take logarithmic on both sides because product of three functions is there, so take logarithmic on both sides. Okay, then we get log y equals to log cos x log plus log cos 2x plus log cos 3x, the rule of log of product of three functions. Okay, log abc, log a plus log b plus log c. So now we can differentiate with respect to x, function are separated, so therefore differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So therefore here log y differentiation 1 by y dy by dx, here 1 by cos x term by term dy dx cos x, 1 by 2x dy dx cos 2x, 1 by 3x cos 3x dy dx cos 3x. So cos x derivative minus sin x, this is minus sin 2x into 2, this is minus sin 3x into 3. So we get like this, y into this minus sin x minus sin 2x 2 minus sin 3x 3. Now put give the value to y, this value. Okay, and collect it. Oh, sin y cos 10, sin y cos 10, sin y cos 10. So minus 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 2 times 3 times. So minus, that's why you are giving value y equals to cos x cos 2x cos 3x like this, and minus 10x minus 2 10 2x minus 3 10 3x. So this is the derivative of the function this, that is y dy by dx. Okay, product function, that's why you are taking logarithmic and then differentiate and get the value. Okay, now take question third. Question third, differentiate the function given like this log x power cos x, this is something power function. uh, some power of a function is also a function, that's why we are using logarithmic differentiation. Here also solution, given function is log x power cos x, let this is y, also we have to use logarithmic differentiation. So let us take log on both sides, we get log y equals to log of log cos to the power x, log x to the power cos x और में है, so सामने आना है फॉर्मूला से, log a to the power n equals to n log a. So x cos x log x. Now product of two functions, what, cos x and log x. So now we can differentiate both sides with respect to x. Therefore differentiate both sides with respect to x. Right side product of two functions, first function second function. Now therefore left 1 upon y dy by dx, here first function cos x, the derivative of second function log x, second function log x, and derivative of first function cos x. Log x का differentiation 1 by log x, and again log x means 1 by x, and log cos x minus sin x. So we get y cos x 1 by log x, 1 by x, log x minus sin x. Okay, now you have to put the value of y as log x to the power cos x. So log x to the power cos x, and this is the value. Okay, cos is by x into log x minus of sin log x. So this is derivative. Here power is given, that's why you are using logarithmic differentiation. So first taking logarithmic and then differentiate, and we get this value. This is the derivative of this function. Okay. Question 4 of exercise 5.5. Differentiate the function given like this, x to the power x minus 2 to the power sin x. This here also given function involving powers. That's why we are using logarithmic differentiation. But power function, two power functions are separated by minus sign. That is, there is no formula for logarithmic for a plus b or a minus b. That's why we are using separately differentiation of this. For this, we suppose this is u, this is v, just like that. Okay, so let us try to solve. Given function is x to the power x minus 2 to the power sin x. Let this is equals to u and this is equals to v. X to the power x u to the power sin x v. Therefore, y equals to, we can write u minus v. Now differentiate with respect to x, because u and v are the function of x. So differentiate with respect to x on both sides, we get dy by dx equals to du by dx minus dv by dx. Equation first, suppose. Now our target is what? Finding du by dx and dv by dx. So one by one we have to find du by dx, dv by dx. Du by dx means for u equal to x to the power x by taking. Okay. Now here u equals to x to the power x. U equals to x to the power x. We have to find du by dx. U equals to x to the power x. This is power function. So taking logarithmic on both sides. So taking log on both sides. Okay. We get log u equals to log x to the power x. Log u equals to log x to the power x means x power h सामने आ गया x log x. Therefore, now we can differentiate both sides with respect to x. Product of two function on right side. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So log u means 1 by u du by dx. Here first function, second function. First function is this du by dx log x plus log x second function du by dx x. Now log x means 1 by x, x means d by dx means 1. So x into 1 by x plus log x into 1, that is we get 1 plus log x, that is 1 plus log x. Now du by dx, u go to the right side as a product. So du by dx equals to u log 1 plus log x. Now u equals to what? X to the power x. So put the value of u x to the power x 1 plus log x. This is the value of du by dx. Okay. So x to the power x 1 plus log x, equation second. Here du by dx. Now our target is finding dv by dx. So and v equals to 2 to the power sin x. So also taking logarithmic on both sides, we get log v equals to sin x log 2, because power come to the first front side. So this now first function, second function. This is constant only. Constant, this is sin x. So differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Therefore we get, after differentiating, 1 by v dv by dx. Now log to constant sin x ka d by dx, that is cos x. Okay, so log to cos x. Now dv by dx equal to v, go to the right side as a product. Now v cos x log 2. Clear? Now v equals to what? 2 to the power sin x. So put v 2 to the power sin x, cos x log 2. This is the value of dv by dx, equation third. Now from second and third, dv by dx, dv by dx, the value of this put in equation first. Okay, putting the value of dv by dx from second and dv by dx from third in equation 1, we get dy upon dx equals to dv by dx first and minus of dv by dx. This is the derivative of given function. Okay. Clear? Now, take question 6. Differentiate the function like this. Here we see also power 1 x plus 1 by x ka power x and x to the power 1 plus 1 by x. Okay, this is the function. Also here power function or two power function are added by plus sign. So that's why again we have to differentiate separately. So take this is equal to this is equal to b. Similar in a similar fashion to question 4. Here given function is this. Let u equals to this, v equal to this. Let u equals to this and v equal to this. Okay. Then we can write. Therefore we get, if this is y, so y equals to u plus v. Y equals to u plus v. So differentiate on both sides with respect to x. We get dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Clear? This equation first. Now our target is finding du by dx and dv by dx. Du by dx and dv by dx. Clear? Now, here u equals to x plus 1 by x to the power x. So this is power function. So taking logarithmic on both sides. Then log u equals to power function x सामने log. Okay. So log u equals to x log x plus 1 by x. Clear? Now first function into second function, here log u. So differentiate. Therefore differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Therefore you get 1 by u du by dx. Here log u 1 by u du by dx equals to here first function x d by dx log 1 x plus 1 by x plus second function log x plus 1 by x into d by dx x. This is equal to 1, and here log of this equals to x into log of this means 1 upon x plus 1 by x into derivative of this. Okay, so 1 upon x plus 1 by x, derivative of x plus 1 by x is what? X means 1 and 1 by x means minus 1 by x square, derivative. This log of x plus 1 by x and 1. Okay, this is the derivative. Now here solving it, we can get like this. What? Taking LCM here, x square plus 1 upon x, x square plus 1 upon x, this x go to the numerator, so x into x square by x square plus 1. Here x square minus 1 upon x square, taking LCM like this, x square cancel. So x square minus 1 upon x square plus 1 here. Now here log x plus 1 by x. This is the value. Okay. So we get, and also you have to transfer u to the right side as a product. So u as a product to this. Here x square cancel, x square minus 1 by x square plus 1 plus log x plus 1 by x. Clear? Now u is here as a product, so put the value of u as a what is u? U means x plus 1 by x to the power x. So this is the value of du by dx. Okay. Now also we have to find v by dx, and v equals to x to the power 1 plus 1 by x. So here also power, so taking logarithmic on both sides, we get log v equals to 1 plus 1 by x log x, power सामने आ गया. Here first function, second function, so we can differentiate with respect to x. So log v 1 by v dv by dx. Here first function this 1 plus 1 by x, second function derivative d by ds log x plus second function log x, first function d by ds 1 plus 1 by x. Now log x differentiation 1 by x, and d by ds of 1 plus 1 by x, 1 ka 0, x 1 by x ka minus 1 by x square. So minus 1 by x square, here x 1 plus 1 by x or 1 by x. Now solve it. How? X plus 1 upon x, x plus 1 upon x, 1 by x minus 1 by 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 x log x by x square, here minus log x by x square. Clear? Now put the value of v. V means x to the power 1 plus 1 by x. Okay, x to the power 1 plus 1 by x. Clear? Now here you have to solve x square common, so x square plus 1 minus log x upon x square. So this is the value of dv by dx. Clear? Now we have got the value of du by dx and dv by dx. So put these values in equation first. So putting the values of du by dx from 2 and dv by dx from third in equation 1, we get this. Only put the value. Clear? First value is du by dx, second value is dv by dx. This is the derivative of the given function. Clear? Okay. Question 7 of exercise 5.5. Differentiate the function log x power x plus x power log x. This is also a power function and added to power function. So we have to use logarithmic differentiation. Also they are separated by plus or minus sign, so we have to suppose this is equal to u, this is equal to v. So let us solve. Given function is this log x power x plus x to the power log x. Now let this is u, this is v. Let u equal to log x power x, v equal to x power log x. Therefore we can write y equals to u plus v. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. We get dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Okay. Now equation first. Now our target is du by dx and dv by dx finding. Okay. Here u equals to log x power x. So taking logarithmic on both sides, we get log u equals to x samne log of log x. Here product of two function x into log x log u. So differentiate on both sides with respect to x. We get 1 by u du by dx plus equals to x first function d by dx second function log x plus log x into d by dx 1 x. Clear? Now here x 1 by log x into 1 by x. X 1 by log x into 1 by x plus log x into 1. So we get 1 by log x, x cancel, log x. Clear? This. Now you take u to the right side as a product, and then we can find u means log x to the power x, and here taking LCM, taking here LCM log x, so 1 plus log x by 1 plus log x into log x by x. So 1 plus log x by log x. This is du by dx. Okay. Clear? Now we can write log x power x, that is log x power x power 1, so x minus 1, and this is value. This is the value of du by dx. Equation second. Now we have to find value of dv by dx. So here v equals to x to the power log x. So taking logarithmic on both sides, we get log v equals to log x because r come to the front side. So here log x into log x, this is product of two function. Now differentiate on both sides with respect to x. We get 1 by v dv by dx left side में, and right side first function log x, second function derivative log d by dx log x, second function log x, then d by dx log x. Here log x 1 by x. So log x 1 by x, log x 1 by x, that is 2 log x by x. Okay. Now transfer v to the right side and put the value of v also. So here 2 log x by x v, and put the value of v. V means x to the power log x. So this is the value x to the power log x, 2 log x by x. Clear? X to the power 1, here x to the power 1. So we can write like this, x to the power log x minus 1. X to the power 1 ऊपर जाएगा माइनस हो जाएगा. So this is the third. dv by dx, this is the value of dv by dx. Clear? Now from 2 and third du by dx we can put in the equation first, then we can get the final derivative. So putting the value of du by dx from second and third, du by dx from third in equation 1, we get this. Clear? Only put the value du by dx plus dv by dx. So this is the final derivative of the function this. Clear? Logarithmic differentiations. We done logarithmic differentiation. Clear? Okay. Now, question 9. Here also x to the power sin x to the power cos x differentiate this function. Also power function and added by some plus. So we have to use same method, taking this is u, this is v, and logarithmic differentiation. So given function is this. So x to the power sin x to the power cos x. Let this is equal to u, this is equal to v. Then we can write y equals to u plus the given function y equals to u plus v. Differentiate with respect to x, so we get dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx same way. Now we have to find du by dx, dv by dx. Here u equals to x to the power sin x. So taking logarithmic on both sides, we get log u equals to sin s log x, product of two functions. So differentiate on both sides, we can get 1 by u du by dx equal to sin x, d by dx log x plus log x, d by dx sin x. Now solve it. Sin s log x means 1 by x log x, cos sin s means cos x. So this is the value of, and now you transfer u to the right side, sin s by x or log x. Transfer u on the right side as a product. So u means x to the power sin x, this. So this is the here also taking LCM here. So x प्रोडक्ट में आ जाएगा यहाँ पर, एंड x अपर साइड में जाएगा साइन x टू द पावर साइन x माइनस 1 एंड x साइन x प्लस x इंटू लॉग x cos x. दिस इज इक्वेशन थर्ड, दैट इज du by dx, वैल्यू ऑफ du by dx. नाउ also v equal to sin x to the power cos x. So taking logarithmic on both side, the log v equals to cos x log sin x, product of two function. Also differentiate on both sides, so 1 by v dv by dx cos x first function, d by dx log sin x plus log sin x d by dx cos x. d by dx log sin x means 1 by x, 1 by sin x cos x, 1 by sin x cos x, or here cos x minus sin x. So cos square x by sin x, that is cos x cot x, cos x into cot x minus sin x log sin x. Now v is here, so transferring v and put the value of v. V means sin x to the power cos x, sin x to the power cos x. This is the third equation, that is value of dv by dx. Clear? Now we have got the value of du by dx and dv by dx. So put these values in the equation first, then we can get the final derivatives. Clear? Putting the value of du by dx from second and dv by dx from third in equation 1, we get, just put the value, or this is the final derivative. This is the value of du by dx, this is the value of dy by dx, dv by dx. Clear? This is the final derivative of the given function in the questions. Okay? So logarithmic differentiation, taking logarithmic and then find separately du by dx, dv by dx, and put the value of this in final dy by dx. That is sum of these two. This is the final derivatives. Clear? Okay? Note down this.